In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT to TRX on Binance. This process involves using the convert tool within the Binance platform to exchange your USDT for TRX seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you will have completed the conversion and verified your new TRX balance. Begin by opening the Binance website or app. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the trade section, which is typically found in the main menu. From here, look for the convert option, which allows you to transform one cryptocurrency into another easily. After selecting convert, you will see a user interface that prompts you to choose the asset you want to convert. Click on the drop-down menu and select USDT as the asset you wish to convert. This action is essential as it sets the stage for your conversion process. Once you have selected USDT, the interface will update to reflect your choice. Next, you will need to select the asset you want to receive in exchange for your USDT. In this case, choose TRX from the drop-down menu labeled 2. After selecting TRX, you will be prompted to enter the amount of USDT you wish to convert. Enter the desired amount carefully, ensuring that it does not exceed your available USDT balance, which you can check in your wallet. Once you have entered the amount, the interface will display the current conversion rate between USDT and TRX. Take a moment to review this information as it helps you understand how much TRX you will receive in exchange for your USDT. If you are satisfied with the rate, proceed to the next step. To finalize the conversion, you will need to confirm the transaction. A countdown timer will appear on the screen, providing you with a limited time to complete this action. Click on the confirm button before the timer expires to process the transaction. After confirmation, the system will process your request and you will receive a notification indicating the successful conversion. After the conversion is complete, it is advisable to check your spot wallet to verify your new TRX balance. Navigate to your wallet section and look for the TRX asset. Ensure that the amount reflects the conversion you just completed. This verification step is crucial to confirm that the transaction was successful and that you have received the correct amount of TRX. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.